Hello everyone. So hope you all are doing great. As you can see here, we will be making this very particular work. Okay, so this is like, first of all, take a small size paper. So this paper is half of A4. Okay, and if you're not having loose sheets with you, you can make a box, small box. Okay, and inside that you can make. Otherwise, if you will take full sheet, you have to color lot of the space, lot of area you have to color. Okay, so to avoid that, take a small size paper, and these are the initials, okay, of your name. If your name is Ananya, Anaya, Aditya, so this is A for that. Okay, so my name is Faguni, so I've written PA with that. Got it? So whatever your name is, just write the initial of your name and try to make this broad. Okay, if you're writing I, try to make the lines broad. Okay, if you're writing P, so suppose your name it's Devik, or it starts with D. Okay, so this will be D. Okay, like that. So first of all, first step is draw your initial with pencil. Okay, nothing else, just pencil, because we're going to erase it afterwards. Okay, and then we are going to make some flowers and some leaves, as you can see here. What all flowers you like, what all leaves you like, just try to make them. Okay, some flowers. First make flowers. Okay, first make flowers, as many flowers as possible wherever you want to make flowers. Okay, and then wherever you have space left, suppose I made this flower, now this space is left, so I'll add leaves here. Okay, and add a small flower here. Okay, something like this. Same for this area, same for this, same for this. Okay, just keep on adding flowers. Just try to change the shape of your petals here. Okay, just try to change the shape of your petals. You can make any flower, sunflower, tulips, roses, anything you can make. Okay, daisies will look very pretty. Some can be half flowers, some can be full flowers. Okay, suppose this is full, this is half. Okay, this is half, this one is full, like that. Colors, any color, whatever you have. Poster, water, brush pens. Okay, pencil colors, watercolor pencils. So suppose I made one flower here, now there's one space left, so I'll just make circle here, that's it. Okay, now I'll not have flowers here, I'll just add leaves here, and I'll add some leaves like this. Okay, to just cover this area and to make our work a little more beautiful. Okay, so I've kept it here only for your reference, so that you are able to see it and draw everything with pencil until and unless you are not using anything else except watercolors or something else. So you can draw anything, you have to draw these things with pencil only, and try to cover these lines. Okay, because if we erase it, we should be able to get it that this is letter A. Okay, or whatever your initial is. If your name is Kian, so you have to write K. If your name is Tane, write T. Okay, if your name is Ria, write R, like that. So cover most of this area, and you are going to do watercolors here. Okay, let's add small daisy here. Let's see if we have space. Now what we are going to do, we are going to color it. Okay, so we'll fill the rest of the area with color directly. So take any color of your choice, whatever color you want, let's start with yellow. Okay, so I'll take chrome yellow here. So I'll first do yellow. Okay, normal yellow here. So this is dark yellow, little dark yellow. So in watercolors, what happens? We try to leave white spaces in between. Okay, so that the color looks nice and it gives a nice texture to the work. Now we'll add some green. So I'll just tell you quickly how to make green leaves directly with your brush. Okay, take any round brush. Now what you're going to do with this round brush, you're going to make leaf directly like this. Leave some white space in between. Okay, now to make it little lighter, we'll add little white or we'll add more water. So second leaf, these both are same colors. Okay, it's just we have added more water in this one. That's it. So this is like complete leaf. Now once it will get dry, we'll just do it with dark color on one side. Okay, same for this area. Take any green. Okay, first do the base, and then once it is dried, either with your sketch pen or with brush pen, once it is dried, you can just add lines. Okay, afterwards, after your watercolor, otherwise it will get smudged. Okay, now I'll just tell you one simple technique with red color flower. So what you have to do is take red color. Okay, simple red color. Now you have to just apply on top of your petal. This, if you want to follow this for every flower, please do so. It will look very nice. Wash your brush. I have applied here red. I've washed my brush now. Okay, now I have plain water in my brush. So what I do, I will just apply water and bring this color down. So it will automatically be light and you will be able to see shades here. Okay, you can do this same thing with pink color as well. Let's make this color flower, this one pink. Applied pink here. Wash your brush, wash it nicely. Okay, and have just plain water and spread it. Okay, so this way you can do this technique. Similarly, what you can do is, so I'll explain with red only. Colors are of your choice. I'm just explaining some few techniques to you. Same for this. In this way we are adding color in this lower area of the petal. Okay, and again with plain water we will take the color till the top. Okay, and fill our flower here. Okay, so in this one we are applying color on top and putting and shading it till bottom. In this one we are applying color in the lower area and shading it till top. Okay, and once it is, suppose this one is dried, I'll tell you this thing. So I'll take that very particular green and I will just apply it on one side. That's it. Okay, and this is also dried. So with sketch pen or brush pen, I will make some details inside it. No need to outline. Okay, just make some details. That's it. So this is your reference. Make your own flowers, color your own flowers. Okay, this is just a reference for you all. You can apply, you can take similar color tones which I have applied here. Okay, techniques, I have used these techniques only which I have told you right now. Okay, and colors, any color of your choice, whatever color you want to use. Watercolors, use watercolors. You want to use these brush pens, use brush pens. Brush pens are also very simple. Light color. Okay, and then with dark color I'll just give one outline. like this. Okay, light and dark, it's just a matter of light and dark. Just apply light first, dark later, light first, dark later, that's it. So in this flower you can see, so I've applied light blue first, then I've waited for some time to get it completely dried, then apply that similar blue with less water and just give some details here. That's it. Watercolor is very simple if you enjoy it. Okay, same for this inner area. So if your name is like, if there is nothing in this area, there is no letter which has this area, suppose you're making I or T, so you will not have this inner area like PADO. Okay, so it's very easy then. So have fun with these watercolors, poster colors, whatever you have. You can use sketch pens, brush pens, pencil colors, watercolor pencils. Okay, but don't use oil pastels, they don't look nice, okay, in this detailed work. You can use oil pastels whenever you want to paint, but not in detailed. Okay, so this is very intricate. Okay, and wherever you have space, just try to fill in with more leaves and more colors. And even you can make some shapes like this one I've made here. Okay, it's very simple, just with normal brush pen make a line, okay, and just add some circles. That's it. Okay, so we'll be waiting for your work, and I hope you all will enjoy doing this work. And take your time, do it nicely, share the pictures with me. Okay, I'm again repeating, take small size. Okay, don't take big size, take small size paper. All right, see you all next week. Have a good day, enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend. Bye bye everyone.